Resale right strategy. Making money with resale right. What are your resale right? Resale right are somewhat or confusing topic for many people. Learning how to properly determine the right that you actually get when you purchase a product with resale right can be a complete nightmare. In generally, there are three major options that the most common type of resale right. The each has it is one particular set of rules, trying to ensure that you get the etc right that you need to much easier once you actually understanding all of the difference. The first set of right that you use for resale or the master resale right. This right are sold to an individual and enable them to turn around and sell the product to someone else that you would then able that person to run around and resell it as well. To make this is a bit easier to understanding, we will some town create an article. He sold master resell right to Stellar and Steven because still when Steven and had purchased master right, resell right, they would have ability to turn around and resell the right to someone else. The right that Steele and Steven choose to sell can differ from right that be given. They could choose to sell right master resell right, or they could interest up to on the only or the basic resell right. Now that we have maintained the basic resell right, we will take a look at them a moment. If we use the same seller term also the same article, he might choose to sell to someone else as well. However, for a lower fee and the arrangement perhaps they decided to only give tonic basic resale right. This means that Ton would not have permission to sell master resale right to the article. This means that Ton can sell the article to whomever she pleases. However, the people that she sell article to many not anyone circumstance resell that work the work. This is a very larger distance from a master resale right which would allow Tony customer to gain resell that article. The third choice that is presented in private label right using the method that article Tom produce the cold sale to Michael private label right article. Michael would then have permission to modify the article however he places. He could put in the one name the piece of the word he is permitted to sell the piece. Give it back. Sell basic resell right or even sell master resell right. He could also put to use article on his one website or including it as part of the book that he was creating. Essentially, Michael would be able to use the article in any way he places it, just as Tom, the creator, is. As you see, there is some rather significant difference between the different result right. Making absolutely certain that you get what you need is typically pretty easy. If you are working with someone to obtain the right piece of the make sure that careful read overall of the term and condition for article use. However, this resale right do not just apply to article, it could apply to ebook, reports, software, website template, graphic and so much more. With all of the different product that can provide a larger number of different resale right, it is extremely easy to see how someone can become thoroughly confused. If you find that you are position where you are working with several different type of resale right, you will typical find that keeping some details record will be quite helpful. This will allow you to determine quickly which product you have private label right to and can therefore modify however your place. It is also extremely important to be sure you are full aware of what you can do with the right, since it could open up new stream of income to you. The internet has emerged as one major way in which one you make money easy. Though one must always beware of all the surprise side of a crop up from time to time. The internet, if used in this manner of earning money, can actually prove to be quite of effective tools. This also involves the resale right of product. This is nothing but a license over the product that you have bought. The license allows you to modify and improve the product in any way you want to. Ordinarily, if you want to sell a product, you will have to place the description and picture of your product and create good and impressive sale page for it. However, with products that have resale right, you need you need to not do this. You merely have to buy the product with its resale right and then place it on your website. You can do this neither of two way mentioned below. Purchasing the product as well as the resale right completely so that you can get total portion of your profit share to yourself. Selling the right that you have just purchased to someone else who in turn can resell that product. The following will tell you about what the different kind of resale right do. Basic resale right. This is this is the one time resale right, that is to say that the person who buy the product with the basic resale right cannot in turn sell that product to someone else because that customer lost the resale right when purchasing the product. Private label right. They basically give the owner of the product the right to do anything that the or she wish to do the product. They can increase their name of the product or make change to the product. They can keep it with themselves for as long as they want or sell it for a profit. Private label resale right. This their type of actually give you their source code to do document that your purchase, such as the Microsoft Word file of the ebook, so you can edit the book and rebrand it in any way you wish, selling it as your own. Many internet business really heavily upon such product and with a resale right as a great alternative to spending big money creating their own product. The ownership of such product not only helpful you to start your internet business in an effective manner but also play a major role in building your brand, a new internet business. Once you have the resale right to a product, you can do whatever you like with a product. In a creation sense, the destiny of the product and hinge of your internet business is in your hands. This there is a lot of flexible if you want the resale right to product. You do not get this kind of flexibility when you purchase a ordinary product. Here are the things that you should not about resale right and business related to it. Creating a business out of private reselling right does not require the businessman to create a product each time. Having the resale right it that product, he can actually recreate the product in the way of want. It just means that once one has modified and improved on the product according to his needed the and kind of demand he gets. This is a needed is very flexible way to do business. What the business who has acquired the resale right of the product needed to do is merely place the product on his website with a new and improved product description. He will not have to go about making the sale page right from the sketch. The basic information about the product has already been given to him. The change that he make to the product he need to the update only that. An attractive picture of the product need to be provided. Either the original image can be used or else another image can be created depending on the business preference. Make your image of as a good quality possible in the popular and easy down, download from format. You will not need to have a very flash picture, but make sure you have something that clear define your product and support the description in tags. Create a paper page which is paper page. Create a proper page which to host in the product description and it is graphical representation. You need to make this page attractive. Remember that may visitor have come to your site via an other site and therefore it is all the more important that you make your page especially attractive since there is a tendency of people moving on to another link within 20 seconds. Therefore, if they find anything catch on your page, they will linger on. Otherwise, they will move on. Looking around the internet, it should be immediately obvious that is a fresh content is king is completely correct. Knowing and understanding this fact can put your ahead of the game. But trying to skipping on the content for your website can cost you a lot of money. If you are unsure how you can earn money from the content on your website, you should first understand this before you move on. As you can imagine, learning how to really use content to make money is not easy as just turning on your computer, but it is a process that you most people can learning quickly. If you have gone to many websites, you have noticed that there is a written word article report or even information. This is a typical preferred to as content on the internet. Private label write content often they use the any previously mentioned the proposed plus many more. Declaring to starting making money internet means you need to be ready, able and willing to start dividing into the world of content. Your first option for private label right is just simple stroking your website of the article and information. This can then help you with search engine ranking because you are pulling attention from the search engine and in turn getting more traffic. Obviously, for selling something on your website, increase traffic and many increase sales. As you can guess, this is one of the way make some money using private label right content. Other options include talking content that you are getting to private label right and writing it. This this is useful to create content that is a completely unique and fulfill accurate. By creating unique content, you can then submit the content to the create article directory to receive for advertising for your website as well as extremely valuable on-way link which will help you to increase your page rank and again increase traffic to your website and added option to the using the content that is on your web page and purchase push using various affiliate links. Regardless, however, the located the affiliate link, it is always useful to have relevant content to help the link to the site. This can be extremely useful if you have any account with a place like ClickBank. Sync your will be able to acquire numerous affiliate links and easily decided which product you would be most interesting in marketing. By combining together the different user for content, you can easily keep your website updated and also ensure that you are making a bit of money on the side. There is no reason at all to stress out if you are not earning the amount of money you want to earn. It will simply mean that you need to work hard at marketing your website. Using private label right content, you can easily change out the content on your website anything you need to in order to ensure that you are offering fresh content for the search engine to grow. This combined with your offer effect will provide you with your some great solution for your website that can use it repeatedly but with the different content so that you are always pulling in new customer rather than simply wasting your time and money. It is extremely important to understand first and foremost that private label right referral refers to anything that you do not necessarily create yourself. You could purchase the material. You could create it yourself regardless of how get you it. Most people do not create private label right content, which means you're at the mercy of whomever you are buying your content from. If you buy from someone who has extremely limited right, then this is something that you work with. However, you might be working with provided that offer extremely liberal right to the item that you are buying. If you are looking so ensure that you are following that content associated with your private label right, you will discover that it is really quite simple to stay within your guidelines and still make money. In order to really understanding private label right, you need to understand that you are purchasing the right to whatever it is that you are buying. This could be a book, an e-book, a report, several article, a single article, website software, or even computer software. The list is almost unlimited, but you are purchasing the right to resell the item. Typical including with the right to sell the item is the ability to customize the product to allow it to meet your exact need. This means if you are looking to create several different websites, you would be able to use single private label right website template and create dozens of different websites if you are desire. Using private label right content, you could then provide the necessary content of each of the page without any great difficulties. By purchasing a private label right product, you are also permitted to put your own name on that item. This allows you to sell it like it is your own personal product, which for many people can be huge selling point. However, you need to be absolutely certain that you are permitted to remove the original copyright before you start publishing or alternating that item. Once you have modified the item, you should have something that is 100% unique but only required a few minutes of your item to create. This means you can have a more time to do things you enjoy, which is how many people make a larger amount of money on the internet. It is critical that you understand that you not private label right product include master resell right. This means you are not always permitted to resell the right to resell the product. However, you are permitted to resell the item that you are purchased. If you can follow and understanding this different, you will be far ahead of many people stumbling to the internet and researching to streak to reach overnight. Nevertheless, you should also realize that if you are buying private label right product, you are not permitted to just give the item away. What the majority of people make a mistake in is deciding to give away product. While you would be permitted to give away something that you have to personal created, you are not permitted to give away right to private level right product regardless of what is with. The only expectation to this they give you the give specific permission from the contract with your allowing you permission to your private level right product. By careful following the rules and ensuring that you properly use the product, you will find that your internet business is growing substantial and you are also able to increase substantial the recognition that you have on the internet. The basics. While some people know exactly what resell writer, some have a very huge idea about it. There are so many different kind of resell right that any market will be built there at the time either his one product resell right or to work with a product which already exists. Even though it's a not a very simple topic, we'll try to explain this as easily as possible in the article. This product with resale right some in variety of size and shape. There are larger number of products bundled all together and them sold for a very low price. Or sell there is a single product which is solid for a very high price, say or for figure price. Apart from there are several variety of resale right already mentioned. To being with there are the simple resale right. This simple give you right to sell your product and offer nothing else. The basic resale right will not allow you to claim that the product is your one nor can give someone else the resale right for this particular product. The right is generally the cheapest right you can get and they make it much simpler to get into the bag. In a lot of cases, they are right or free, but they are usually have a fixed price and terms of resale. To put it simply, suppose if the product sell for $20, you have to sell it for $20 only and not at a price higher or lower than $20. When you are buying the right for a certain product, make sure that you are understanding the perfectly before you sell it because there are sure to be support question which you will be faced with. Master resale right are somewhat more complex. This right generally come with the web page to company with product you are dealing with. This right allow to not only sell the product but also to pass the resale right for the particular product to your customer. There are two kind of private level right. The first kind is one way where you are given the resale right of a product which is already created and you are also allowed to put your one name on the product as the author of the product, but the casual here is that you cannot change the product in any way whatsoever. All that you are allowed to do by virtue this right to sell the product and also put your name on it also long it is kept completely in the original stage without any alternation. The second kind of product level right is called the source code right. These rights involved in the product which is not finished and ready for sale. It is the raw source code which you can use to create the finished product. It will be source code format if it is a program such as NB Blasted. If you want to create an information product, for example, any ebook, then it will come any one process for format such as Microsoft Word. You can change this product in any way that you wish to include making it a product which will grant resale right of any of the kind already mentioned. These rights are generally associated with software and allow you to change the source and source code that come with the product so that you can alter the software to suit your one requirement or to remove any bugs in the product before you sell it in your target market. Rewinding right a which deal product which are similar to get ones described above but they are more restricted because you can frequently rebranding only certainly link to including your one associated link for example and cannot alter the main content in any way. Royalty right is usually associated with physical product and even though you are allowed to resell the product, you cannot keep 100% of the profit you yourself have to pay the original author and commission or a certain percentage of the profit per sale. The article was simply summary of the various kind of resale right which are available but there is one final point of important. You have to remember that very product is different in some way and will come with it is one resale right. You should always make sure that you are ready the license agreement bill so that you understand what you can do cannot do with the product. Get get in touch with the original creator of the product if you are in any doubt so that he can explain the right to you. Growing your business with right. For any who has been around the internet for a while, it should be pretty obvious that each product including different right. This is just something that even apply to people who are not on the internet. Many different pieces of software that you one could also have different right that must allow be followed in order to ensure you are using the legally. This is a one of the worst problem that you can experience but is also something that is quite simple if you are understanding all of the options that you are present to you. The first option is just use right. This is most commonly associated with software tangible product like a radio and so forth. Generally, through though a triangle product will not offer the specific right because it is implied that once you purchase the item one it can do so with it. However, software especially starting to include one user right which means that you only the software company that develops it is permitted to sell, trade, give away for better the product. Give away right a second option. This is a typical something that only apply to report and other item that you find online. You could even find it for some actually physical items such as a game that are attempted not for sale that you are including as part of the bundling of other game. This is also something that is provided quite frequently online if you know where to look. Resale is a third option to explore. Using resale right, you are permitted to buy any item and then turn it around and sell it later on for price that you set and return all profit. This would enable you to sell almost anything and is often within digital product on the internet. However, it is very important to realize that resale rights are actually much more detailed than this. It is possible to break resale right down into two different categories. The first basic resale right as implied this means you have permission to buy and sell the item for the price that you select and retain 100% of the profit. However, when you purchase basic resale right and begin selling the product, you are not allowed to make any changes to it, nor are nor are you allowed to permit someone who buy it from you to resell it. Master resale right or the second choice of the resale right. This gain does not grant your permission to change or alter the item, but it will grant your permission to resell master resale right to someone else. This means that you would be entitled to sell your item to someone else online. Then they could turn around and resell it bill as well. In the case of master resale right, you are typically free to set your own pricing and gain your return all of the profit from the sale. A final option that is become extremely popular online is private label right. This could apply to website template, script, software, content, graphic, much and so forth. In private label right, you are permitted to change the alter the content in any way you choose. Additionally, you are also allowed to quickly and easily resell the master resell right. You could choose to offer giveaway right or you would interesting only offer user right. The choice is entirely up to you, but you are able to get the most using out of private label right product since you can tweak them to your extract need and still decide how they are used. Annoying all the difference in the right can be great step toward getting extremely what you want and you need online. By knowing what you to look for you can ensure you get exactly what you need without wasting money buying right that you do not need which could be extremely expensive. In the early day of internet, a product was created and sold by the original creator or his associate as the market started developing. The idea changed and people began passing the resale right to the buyer along with the product. This implied that people could now sell the product as the seller and keep the profit. This was a completed win-win scenario where the creator would with the higher sum and the resale would get the resale right. Thus, the resale right product industry is popular industry. When you search for resale right or resale right on Google, there are huge number of written. Thus, this is a high amount of active in this space with a lot of people within about selling resale right product which in turn is bought by other people and then resold again within the limit of the resale right. The cycle continues. You can buy resale right product from the creator himself or from the person who buy the right or and resell. The reseller, does not matter who you buy the resale right product from as long as the price is the same but the original author or seller does ask for higher price as a rule. As he is the creator of the product, he has the right to do so. When you check out the reseller right result on Google, then notice how almost every website is selling you some resale right product. Some are also selling package. It it would be good idea to go through this offer to get a better understanding of how resale right work. They seem very cheap and good deal and multiple package some within a price range of $49 to or 199 inch variety of website. However, there is much better and cheaper way you can get the constant stream and product which you can choose the sell. When you buy a package from website, you will soon be done with it. You will be you will have to buy a new package to have a new set of product and then your choice will be restricted to the product which are there is in the package. Do not think that I mean to say that these packages are not good deal. They are. They are popular because they give customer a lot of value for the amount of money they spend on it. When you turn into a reseller, I would also recommend you sell the package. However, I wish to stress that 3 is better way you can invest your money if you are planning to join the resale business. The alternative option will offer you continuously supply your product at no extra charge, and this option is to become a member of website which will supply this product to you. This website or call it membership site. There are a wide range of rights which can be passed along with the product, and it is of great importance to understand the various kind of right because product right is an important issue and protected by copyright laws. Thus, you should understanding the following term and how they are different from each other. Resale right. They are also known as resale right. This implies that you can sell the product for any price you wish to and keep all the profit. There are free writing sale page, thank you page and product image which the product come with. The general have a suggested retail price listed. You are usually allowed to give them to your members or customer as a bonus or include them or downloading on a membership site. This kind of resale right does not allow you to pass the resale right to your customer. Master resale right. This right allow you to give away bundling it, resell it, create new information package or including them in membership site. This right allow you to pass to the resale right to other. Hence, if you sell the product to someone, then he can sell it to someone else. Master resale right generally cost more, but this is okay since they give more control to the owner. However, the right may vary somewhat and that depended on how the creator of the product is. Ensure that you follow the license right which are including with every product. Private label resale right. This allow you to get source code of the product for which you can create your one product and call it one. You could edit it in any way you like it and then sell this recreated product welding with the different product or including in your membership site. Problem happen. You should learn how to avoid making mistake while marketing resale right by knowing about the kind of mistake usually made. The top 5 mistakes most commonly made by resale right marketing area. Selling the resale right product to a larger number of people. The might make your potential customers so disturbed that they might change the mind about in visiting in your resale right product. Experienced market who have some know how about the resale market understand what a big mistake this is. You need to have their people on your side. They have the presence on the internet as well as the big list which might help you to market your product effectively. If you sell the resale right of your product to too many people, then none of those would be able to make much money of the right because all your customer would be competing with each other to make profit over the some product. Even though the idea of selling product to your as many people as you can seem very profitable, you will not be able to make so many sales because you will drive people away from investing in your product. They will not want to buy a product which they cannot make money from. This would make the value of your resale right product also listen. Thus, of your region mentioned, you should set a limit to the number of people you will sell it. You need to set a proof of the number of copy of your resale right product you will sell and also ensure that the proof is not too high. This will ensure that you do not sell too many copies to too many peoples. If your selling is set too high, then the value of your product would suffer. For instance, if you sell it 1,000 people, then every customer would complete with the other 9,999 to capture the same market. This would make the product a very hard hill and then diminish the value of the product. Pricing is important. If you price your sell right product too low, then it will attract too many buyers, including some people who will buy for the heck of it of the but not anything more to market the product. You should increase the price of your sales package that thus it add value to the resale right product you are marketing. This will make sure that when you person investing in your product can make some money out of it and will also work to make money worth it with it. It will be win-win scenario for all concerned. Failing to clear state of explain the term and condition of user license. The resale license which company the resale right product is extremely important. It describes the obligation and the right of the resale in minor details. The document where the guideline or established in the resale right license, it is your guidance to the customer that all the rules shall be implemented to protect their interest. Take some time to note down careful the restriction of the right you will be giving to the resale and present that in license agreement in PDF format for preferable. Adobe document cannot change very easily and this will be able to give your customer the protection they require. Failure to honor term and condition for the reseller right product that you have set your seller. Failing to stay true to what your permission can damage your business badly. If you say you will sell 100 resell right for certain product, then you cannot sell 101 product and then say it was an error in continuing. This is dishonorable and people will lose faith in your business. If you permission to give your customer private level right, you cannot limit the way they could change the work. You must operate in your business dealing with frankness and sincerity. Selling resale right product at the peak of the product market life. That might be an advantage to your potential customer, but it's definitely a negative sign from the point of view of your business. If product is of good quality and has a high potential of selling well, you should sell it yourself. But if you want to stick to product creation and level marketing to your customer, even that is good as you will have many people marketing your product for you. Remember that is very important to have a sound business plan before starting resale right marketing. Buying private label ebook resale right various writing your one. In in today's society there are many individuals who are looking to make money any way they can. In many cases their individuals are looking for opportunity that will them to work at their one piece of the be their one boss. If you are one of those individuals, then it is possible that you may have thought about creating and reselling ebook. The popularity of ebook has rapidly increased over the past few years now. Many readers are not only finding it convenient to purchase them, but cheaper. In most cases, ebook are easily to read on the computer, but they can also be printed up. Since more and more consumers are interested in your purchasing ebook, there are more individuals who are looking to make money off of them. If you are able to do this, you may find success. However, that success will not come without hard work. If you have never created an ebook before, it is difficult to understand exactly how much hard work it initially entails to be worth to buy. Most ebooks are at least 100 page long. However, some are longer. If you are interested in creating an ebook, it may take months of your finish the ebook. In addition to hard work, you must allow also have writing experience and knowledge on the topic that you are writing about. This knowledge and experience isn't necessarily necessary, however, it is important to the success of your ebook. It is a fact that customer do not will not purchase poor quality work. In addition to write a quality ebook, you will also have to find way to sell it. Together the two could take the larger amount of time. For many individuals, this is major turn off. However, there are alternative. If you are interested in selling a ebook to make a profit, you do not necessarily have to create your one. Interested you can obtain private label resale right to another ebook. Obtaining the resale right to any ebook will allow you, in many cases, to assume to the work as your one, edit the content and pocket the money from each sale of the book. The biggest downside to obtaining the resale right to be any book is the amount of money that you will have to spend. Depending on how you would business with, the cost of acquiring private label resale right may be fairly expensive. Since most freelance writers spend a larger amount of time creating their ebook or previously mentioned, they many they may want to appropriately be compensated. The cost of resale right to an ebook may be considered and disadvantage to this unique business opportunity, but it can also be considered an advantage. Ebook authors that charge more for their work typically have the product better content. Better content is easier to sell. Whatever you make the decision to develop your one ebook or purchase the sale right to someone else, you will still have to find a way to market the ebook to the general public. This, depending on what approach you take, can take time. That is why many individuals prefer purchase the resale right to any ebook that has already been created. This allows them to spend more time on marketing, which will in turn create sales. If you are unsure as to whether or not you should create your one ebook, often in the resale right another, you are not alone. There are a number of other individuals wondering the same thing. Private label resale right are amazing business opportunity for some, but not for all. There is a great free audio source on private label resale right yet. Check the out today. All online business and niche opportunities that take time to find success. If you have to finance a resource need to often the resell right to the bell right ebook, you're encouraging to give the opportunity a shot. You're not guaranteed a result, but you may be surprised with what you find. If you try obtaining write an ebook, the experience is not what you had in mind. You can bring it to create your one ebook or move onto the another business opportunity. Unlike many other business ventures, private labels resale right allow you to get out when you want. After you have paid for the resale right to any ebook, it is your to do with. This means that you can stop at anything else, move on top to something else if you desire. Can you really make money with PLR? The ideal of making money on the internet is something that resonates with people everywhere. From the parent who want to stay home with their children more to the professional who have decided that their boss has seen at the very last time. Trying to actually make a profit online is not always easy. Never there less if you have a serious desire to actually make money, there are several ways that you can start to expand your profit making venture on private label right make a great place to get started. With so many people looking around for where to get started, there is not enough time in the world to really review all of the options. If you sit around wait too long, we will get passed by will everyone is will make to fortuner of the your actual product. In order to avoid this situation, it is time to actually get off and start exploring the real way to make money with private label, right? And how they can really and truly help you out. For the average internet user, it is quite easy to negative the internet, but what about trying to help the little old lady down the road who need help? Is there something that you could offer them? If you are thinking correctly, then you venture into private level right could be wonderful. Using the example of the little lady down street, you could create a website that is graded toward extremely easy and basic internet skill. Not everyone is skilled on the computer and right an increasing number of people going online. It is very important that someone provide information on how to get started. This could be you. And using private label right product, you do not even need to be code, design, program or write simple buying private label right product can allow you to help the masses without having to learn an entirely new career. This is not to say that you only pay to make money with private label right is to target to people trying to learn how to use the internet. There is any enormous value of topic and if you are willing to sit around think of a few topics that you not only like but also actually enjoy you will discover quickly that is the great way to make some additional money. If you have several different interests, then it could be even better because simple put you could quickly easy started branching out into a larger number of projects. If you are looking for a new way to make money that will allow you to simply sit back and go absolutely nothing at all, then this is not for you. Regardless of you how plan to private label right product, you will likely have to do something. However, if you are looking into using this product, they can take substantially less time to develop, create, tube shot, perfect, and market than any other option that you have looked at. Looking for instant business in a box is never going to happen. This is a terrible reality that most people discover only after spending thousands of dollars. Learning how to gain a edge over their competition is possible through and this is exactly what private label right always you to do. For the consumer in the world who are searching for information report, ebook and even software, You could be the answer to their need, all without having to do and actually developing yourself. By simply alternating the private label right product to fit your need, you have managed to create a unique product that you can offer to your customer and ensure that they get exactly what they need while you are enjoying all of the benefit of running your one business on the internet. This is the perfect solution to getting started without spending a fortune. Finding a niche. To truly make money, you are going to have to find a specific niche that you are interested in the developing and go after is full. Whatever you spend a lot of money for marketing of your interesting, choose a much more relaxed approach to it is entirely up to you. But getting the help that you need is critical. For most people who are attempting to market a website, that idea of using private label right might seem unless and frivolous. You are using item that you are purchased from someone else. But what are you really able to do with him? You are actually do a lot of you are open to idea, and this means time to put your creative thinking hat on. If you have the ability to get hands or continuous supply and private label right article that present to travel your personal have a lot of trouble that could open up the door to money making. Any added bonus would be stabling upon the source of traveling ebook that are also private label right. If you are absolutely cannot find a good source of ebook, though you could take the article you can receive the simply edit them together to create your ebook and still have what you need. Then combining the content together some great graphic and website template you can create a fulfill professional website that is created toward travel. Of course, traveling is simply an idea of the what you can choose. There are literally thousands of topics available on the internet for you to choose from. The ultimate the sky is the limit when it is time to decide what you want. For the majority of people looking to make money, the hardest task that deciding what you are really interested in. Once you have found a great topic or niche to work with, three rest in much easier to handle. Of course, this should make perfect sense. Who are really think that it hard to locate the article that present present on travel, education, or printing. Trying to pick the topic that you want will always be much harder. There are a few websites that you can get some great content with full PLR result right and have PLR you can use on the variety of niche topic that will be sure to get you off to a great head started. Getting the topic that you're interested in does not have to be single path. If you have several interested and you also have source that can provide numerous topic or niche or for private level right, then you are set and ready to go. There is no reason to limit yourself needless if you have the ability and grow and expand. Following up with ability to grow and expand will simply mean that you are increasing your earning and also increasing the numerous source that is come from. A highly effective internet marketing guru can easily maintain thousands of websites by simply using private label right product. If you are not positive what you are doing, you can easily learn using the material, but talking some with from the internet will be very effective option for you to explore and develop. Selling your right in member site. The concept of obtaining membership for service has been around for years, and the intent is creating not a winner of the membership. The reality is that the membership for everything from corporate to the gym and even spa, and transit of membership to real life and internet was something that was extremely smooth. After all, by providing people with the continuous service, with there is creating reason for them continue paying, and this is a where membership tend to profit the most. In the world of private level right, there are several ways to obtain product. You could either create them yourself, which is the cheaper option but will require the most time on your one part. This is could substantially limit your profit since you are restricting the amount that you have to offer. A season option is a searching out small supply who will allow you to purchase only what you want. When you want a problem with the some pillar site can be actually located with the supplier and getting what you need when you need it. They might be out of town, experiencing technical difficulties or a myriad of other problems. A final choice is a membership site for a private level right provider. This membership range substantial in price, but what they offer is brand new template content, graphic and software each month without you having to look for it. In simple terms, is use of membership means that you easily have a ability to turn around and access new material every month without having to actually search for them yourself. This can be huge time saver. Many of the membership site even go so far as to limit the number of members that are permitted to join. By using a membership site, you are typically allowed to access to the larger number of material that you can use. However, it is also very important to realize that you additionally getting lots of materials that you likely would not purchase otherwise. They can be viewed in either positive because you are getting additional items, or it could be viewed as negative because you are receiving items that you do not want to actually pay for. If you are making the right decision to use as much of the merchandise as possible, you will not doubt quickly discover that your profit are much higher and you have a great number of options to promote your item and ensure that you are putting them to best use. If you are absolutely certain that you are only wanted to get what you need, then you can even find membership that will scale back the amount of new material that you receive each month. Form of a budget perceptive in the can be nightmare trying to work out membership to private level right provide. However, if you are absolutely looking to get the best value for your money and also ensure that you are getting newly updated item without having to spend an hour or day looking for them, the membership is by far the best solution for your needs. Finding a membership that you are happy with requires some item as well as money, but the result are certainly worth it effort since you will be saving a substantial amount of time.